replace this fuel door spring, assuming yours was broken. I'm just going to try to pry it off of here to kind of fold the door in, and once it's pried off, you want to pull it out that way. To put this back on, this piece needs to slide in behind there, but at the same time you need to hook this part onto the front. So it's kind of two things at once here. Press it on, and now there we go, press it onto there. Make sure that this is bent where it's supposed to, and now your door will pop open when you press the button. Perfect.